Welcome to the weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Spokane. My name is Jeremy Wolf. This briefing covers the expected weather for the week of Monday, March 25th through Monday, April 1st, 2013. Forecasts are subject to change, so do not use this presentation after 6 a.m. Tuesday, March 26th. Here is the overview of the weather through the week. A weak weather system will slowly track across the inland northwest during the middle to end of the week. This will bring an increasing chance for showers and a small threat for thunderstorms. This system will usher in a milder air mass with a warming trend through the week. The warming trend will continue into next weekend as high pressure develops, bringing dry weather. A ridge breakdown is possible next Monday or Tuesday. Here's a graphic representation of where the chance for showers are expected for each day. On Tuesday, there will be a slight chance for rain and high mountain snow showers over the Cascades, Blue Mountains, Lewiston area, and the Camas Prairie. On Wednesday, this threat will expand to include the Palouse and much of the Idaho Panhandle. The oval area indicated where the best chance of isolated thunderstorms are. The Palouse, Lewiston area, Camas Prairie, Blue Mountains, and Central Panhandle Mountains are encompassed in this thunderstorm threat area. On Thursday, all areas will have a chance for rain and high mountain snow showers. On Friday, the best chance for showers will retreat into eastern Washington and the Idaho Panhandle. The oval area indicated on both Thursday and Friday once again indicates where the best chance of isolated thunderstorms are. The Palouse, Lewiston area, Camas Prairie, Blue Mountains, and Central Panhandle Mountains again will have the best risk for thunderstorms. However, an isolated thunderstorm can't be ruled out over the majority of eastern Washington and North Idaho. Next weekend, high pressure will build into the area. This will result in a continued warming trend with high temperatures 5 to 10 degrees above normal. This will translate to valley high temperatures mainly in the 60s under mostly clear skies. Here is a 7-day temperature and precipitation forecast for Wenatchee on the left and Lewiston on the right. Once again, a warming trend is expected through the week. The dotted red line indicates normal high temperature and dotted blue line normal low temperature. The solid lines represent forecast low and high temperatures, warming to above normal values this week. Now an update on the hydrology situation. Because daytime temperatures will be mild and nighttime temperatures remain cool, we will only see a moderate amount of snowmelt and small rises on the rivers this week. Now let's take a look at the current mountain snowpack and the spring flood potential. High elevation snowpack in the East Cascades in the U.S. and Canadian Rockies is close to average. This translates to a low flood risk from spring snowmelt. Most river forecast points have less than a 30% chance of flooding this spring. Flooding could still occur due to a period of abnormally high temperatures and/or heavy rainfall in the mountains. This map is an estimation of snow water equivalent, SWE, or the amount of water in the snowpack over the Pacific Northwest. There is little to no snow water equivalent in the low elevations of the inland Northwest. In summary, a weak weather system will slowly track across the inland Northwest during the middle to end of the week. This will bring an increased chance for showers and a small threat for thunderstorms. This system will usher in a milder air mass with a warming trend through the week. The warming trend will continue into next weekend as high pressure develops, bringing dry weather. A ridge breakdown is possible next Monday or Tuesday. Now, let's look at the 8 to 14 day outlook. This period carries high uncertainty. The Climate Prediction Center outlooks favor increased odds for warmer and drier conditions. However, latest computer models suggest the potential for a trough to set up, supporting cooler temperatures and showery weather. Stay tuned for further updates. If you would like to give us some feedback on our presentations, send us an email. Here's how you can stay informed to get the latest information from the National Weather Service Spokane Forecast Office. Our forecasts and products are available on our website, weather.gov/Spokane. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to us on YouTube. And as always, you can listen to us on NOAA Weather Radio. Thank you for tuning in for this weekly weather briefing. Please do not use this information after 6 a.m. on Tuesday, March 26th.